Mareazul. Mareazul is located within the exclusive Corazol complex in Playa del Carmen with 24/7 controlled access, one of the most recognized golf courses in the Riviera Maya, and a community that will be home to the largest beach club in Mexico. Mareazul has 300 units with 2 to 4 bedroom units available, with luxury finishes, open floor plans, and equipped kitchens. Layouts that feature outdoor spaces like private jacuzzis, splash pools, covered terrace, and private rooftops. Mareazul offers 3 hectares of common areas with a Zen botanical garden, with Mayan sculptures for relaxation and a snack bar in the 3,000 square meter infinity pool. Spas for men and women, a fitness center, paddle and tennis courts, a children's playground, and 200 meters of private beachfront. Being the perfect place to vacation with friends and family, but above all, the comfort of having access to everything from your home.